What is gene-environment interaction in critical periods? Imagine a tiny window in a child's brain where everything happening around them can shape how they grow. This special time is called a critical period. During this phase, the brain is especially flexible and ready to learn new skills or adapt to its environment. But it's not just about what the environment does. It's also about how a child's genes play a role in this process. Gene-environment interaction means that a person's genes and their surroundings work together to influence how the brain develops during these critical times. Genes give the basic blueprint for how the brain grows and forms connections. But environmental factors like what a child sees, hears, touches, or experiences can change how those genes are expressed. This means the environment can turn certain genes on or off without changing the actual DNA. This process is called epigenetics. For example, if a baby is exposed to lots of visual stimuli during a critical period for vision, their brain circuits for seeing will develop properly. If they don't get enough visual input, the genes involved in wiring the visual system might not activate as they should. This can lead to lasting problems with sight. On the other hand, a stimulating environment can boost gene activity that encourages brain plasticity, helping the child learn and adapt more easily. Timing is everything in this process. If a child experiences a stressful environment during a critical period, it can change how their genes work, possibly leading to difficulties later in life. Some genes make children more sensitive to their environment, meaning they might be more affected by positive or negative experiences during these windows. Others might help protect them from harm. Understanding how genes and environment work together during these critical periods helps us see why early experiences matter so much. It shows us that the right kind of support and stimulation at the right time can help a child's brain develop healthily. It also explains why negative experiences during these sensitive times can have long-lasting effects. In early childhood neurodevelopment, recognizing the importance of gene-environment interaction can guide us to create better environments for children. Providing enriching experiences during these windows can support healthy brain growth and even help offset some genetic risks. Conversely, neglect or stress during these times can disrupt development and lead to challenges later on. So, gene-environment interaction in critical periods is about how a child's genes and their environment team up during specific times when the brain is especially open to change. This partnership shapes how the brain grows, learns, and adapts, influencing each child's unique developmental path.